Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 6606 Hoffman. I guess you had somebody out here, Roto-Root or something, telling her that she had a bunch of roots in the line and there's a bunch of bad spots and needed to do big repair, and it's going to cost $13,000. So she wanted to get a second opinion because they wouldn't give her a video. So she wanted to get a second opinion. I'm out here with my camera. I'm out here in the driveway. I'm going to try and inspect the line from out here and show you what it looks like. Alright, so we got our camera running towards the house here, about 38 feet, 37 feet. And here we are at a Y, where two lines are coming together. I've located this in the basement. She's flushing the toilet now, as you see. It's coming through. Looks like it should be pretty open. I'm unable to get to the other half of the line. I think this has been capped off. I think they had an option of they were going to do something there at one time. They just never did. So that's not being used. There's nothing over there that would catch that. There's no floor drain on that side. The kitchen sink line ties in with this line on the left-hand side here. And the floor drain in the basement, they all tie on that part of the line where the water's coming from. I'm unable to go in there and run from the stack to get that section of the line inspected because there's no clean out access or test tee on the stack itself. It's all just one piece. I recommended to her to repair or cut that stack out and put a clean out in right there, section of stack, and install a clean out and inspect the remainder of the line to make sure there's nothing wrong with it. But we'll go ahead and pull it back and show you what the rest of this looks like. Like I said, I did locate this down in the basement. So I think it's just, they had an option to put something else in there. It's just been capped off or something like that. So we'll go ahead and pull it back, show you what this line looks like. So we're in the cast iron here, 4-inch cast iron. This looks pretty clean here. Oh, she's flushing again. Keep pulling back to show you what this looks like. So here we are at the transition. This is where it comes from 4-inch cast iron and the 6-inch clay pipe out here in the front yard. See the cast iron at the top of there's a little rusted out and gone, but it's nothing too bad. A little bit of roots that grew in there, but yeah, it's nothing too bad. A little bit gone at the top, but should be okay. Here we are in the 6-inch clay pipe. See, they had some roots growing in there. Joint there, and they had some roots growing in there. Then here we are at the trap. So yep, like I said, I recommend for that to be repaired there, or that stack to be cut and clean out, installed, and the remainder of the line inspected. But that's what you got. Alrighty, thank you.